kids, welcome to another math lesson with Miss Carter. Okay, so today we are going to talk about composing and decomposing, but before we do that, let's count with some fluency practice. So as you can see, I found some water bottles, and what I want you to do is count the water bottles, turn and talk, tell your mom, tell your dad, tell your neighbor, how many water bottles do you count? Awesome. Okay, so tell Miss Carter, how many water bottles did you count? Shout it out. Ooh, I hear some different numbers, so let's see together. Ready? We have 1 water bottle, 2 water bottles, 3 water bottles, 4 water bottles, and 5 water bottles. Who got 5? Good job, friends. Look, because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. Good job, friends. Give yourselves a round of applause or an air high five. Okay, good job. So, Miss Carter is going to put the water bottles away really quickly, and then we are going to do a quick tell me the number. Okay, so remember when you see it, tell Miss Carter what number is this. Ready? Go. 7. Good job. Ready? Go. 9. Good job. Ready? Go. 6. Good job. 8. Good job. And last one. 10. Good job. Good job, friends. Awesome. Okay, so next we are going to move on. So today we are going to talk about composing and decomposing numbers 5 and 6. Okay, so we're going to talk about composing and decomposing numbers 5 and 6. Okay, so my friends, I have my friends that know it. If not, do it with me. I do this so that we can remember compose and decompose. So when we compose, that means we are bringing it together, okay? And when we decompose, that means we are breaking it apart, okay? Remember, compose, bringing it together. Decompose, breaking it apart, okay? So let's practice. Miss Carter's gonna say compose or decompose, and I want you to show me with your hands, okay? Ready? So compose. Good. Bringing it together. Ready? Decompose. Breaking it apart. Good. Let's see. Decompose. Breaking it apart. Good job. Let's see. Decompose. Breaking it apart. Good job. Okay. Compose. Show me with your hands. Good means putting it together. Good. And decompose. Breaking it apart. Good. And last one, compose. Good. Putting it together. Okay, so now that we've gone over what compose and decompose mean, we are going to work with 5 little blocks. Okay, Miss Carter has these 5 blocks. Can you just count them for Miss Carter and make sure that they're 5? Good. 5. Okay, so we are going to work with composing and decomposing 5 blocks. If we look at Miss Carter's wooden blocks, can you tell me, are they composed or decomposed? Good, they are composed because they are together, okay? Now, if I want to say, let's decompose them into 2 parts, okay? Let's decompose them. If we break them up into like this, how many do we have? Yes, we have 3 here. We have 3 right here and 2 here, okay? When we put 3 and 2 together, when we put 3 and 2 together and we compose them, that makes 5, okay? So even though they are broken apart into 2 and 3, okay, they still make 5, okay, because when we count them together, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay. Again, even though we broke it up into 3 and 2, that still makes 5, okay. And I want you to tell me, are they decomposed or composed? Decomposed, remember, because they're broken apart. Now, what if I do this? Do I still have 5 wooden blocks? Good, yes, I should still have 5 wooden blocks, because remember, even though they are composed now, because remember, we put them together, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? We still have 5, okay? Good job, friends. We can even break them up into a different way and do this. Tell me, are they composed or decomposed? They are decomposed. Good job. Because remember, when we do our hand signals, they are broken apart, okay? Because look, if we look over here, we have 4, and then we have 1, okay? And 4 and 1, even though they're broken apart, they still make 5, okay? Because when we count, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We still have 5, even though they're broken apart. Because remember, 4 and 1 still make 5, okay? Because if I do this and did I just compose or decompose them? Compose, okay? And they still make 5. Count with me, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, good. So we just composed and decomposed 5. Now we are going to add, one more. We just added one more. Tell me, how many wooden blocks do we have now? Count at home. Tell me, how many wooden blocks do we have? We should have 6. Good job, friends. Ready? Let's count together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? We are going to compose and decompose the number 6. Okay? I want you to shout it out. What's one way that you think we can break up the number 6? What's one way we can decompose and break up the number 6? Good. We can do 3 and 3. Okay? Because if we look, we have 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, and then we have 1, 2, 3 over here. And 3 make 6. Because if we count them, we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Even though they're decomposed, it still makes 6. Because look, when we, are they decomposed or composed? Composed, good. They still make 6. Because let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, good. At home, I want you to see if you can do it with me. Try and break them up into one more way. Break them up into one more way. How can we break these 6 wooden blocks up one more time? Good. We can even do it this way. And we can break them up into 4 and 2. Okay, we can even do it this way, and we have 1, 2, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Do we still have 6 even though they're decomposed? Yes, good job. We still have 6 even though they're decomposed, because when we count, okay, let's count the wooden blocks. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Good, it still makes 6, okay, even though they're broken apart into 2 and 4, it still makes 6, okay? What if we just do this? Are they composed or decomposed? Good, composed. Tell someone, how do you know they're composed? Because they're together. Good. How many wooden blocks do we have? Good, we should have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? We'll do one more because 6 is a pretty big number. What's another way that we can break up these blocks? How can we decompose the number 6? What's another way we can decompose the number 6? Good. 5 and 1. Good, okay? 5 and 1. And we have 1, okay? And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? And we broke it up, and it still makes what number? What number does it make? 6. 6. Good job, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We just decomposed the number 6, okay? Good job, friends. And then if we compose it and we bring it back together, we still have 6, okay? Good job, friends.